Hi there. In this $300 CPA Everyday review, I'm going to show you a step-by-step system that helps you make $300+ per day with CPA marketing, even if you're a total beginner. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, a six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years of experience in the industry. I create these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to grow your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab $300 CPA every day through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is $300 CPA every day? 300 CPA Every Day is a step-by-step training course that teaches you how to generate CPA commissions using a unique underground free traffic method. It's designed for anyone who wants to. Make money online fast, without selling anything. Leverage CPA marketing for consistent passive income. Avoid paid ads and rely on 100% free traffic. The best part? You don't need experience, a website, or an email list to get started. Now, I want to be 100% honest. This isn't some push-button magic software that will make you rich overnight. $300 CPA. Every day provides the blueprint, but you'll still need to put in the effort to make it work. Here are some standout features that caught my eye. Free traffic system. No paid ads needed. Step-by-step training. Perfect for beginners. Quick setup. Start earning in 24 to 48 hours. Scalable. Increase your earnings over time. How it works. The method is super simple. Step 1. Choose a high-paying CPA offer. Step 2. Set up your free traffic source. Step 3. Watch commissions roll in. No technical skills required. Just follow the training and you're good to go. Okay, let's go over and play a quick demo video explaining this a little bit more.
Hey guys, Johnny G here, and I have something amazing to share with you, so make sure you pay very close attention. So a couple of weeks ago, I was talking to one of my coaching students, Glyn, and he was telling me about this new method that he's discovered that he's been using to make around $300 per day with every single day from CPA. $300? Really? So I had to see exactly what the heck Glyn was talking about. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get on a live Skype call with Glyn live in this video. I'm going to get him to show us some of the money he's making. I'm going to pick his brain, and then I'm going to get him to show me, and more importantly, to show you how you can make $300 every single day with CPA. So let's go.
Hello?
Hey man, how's it going?
Yeah, not too bad, thanks, mate. How about you?
Yeah, not bad, not bad. I thought I'd give you a call, and because I've got about 2 hours free. I've got to go to a meeting in about 2 hours, but thought I'd give you a call so you can tell me a bit more about this method that you was telling me about, and maybe I can apply it and make some money myself.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, I might as well give you a bit of background on the method then. So basically, I found this out a while ago by accident while I was testing some stuff out, and I've been making around $300 per day every day with this.
Wow, $300 every single day, right? And wow, that's amazing, man. So how does it actually work?
Yeah, well, it is really simple. I mean, I've tapped into this free traffic source that basically sends a boatload of targeted visitors to you for free, and I promote CPA offers to them. Now, I'm just going to log in to one of my accounts, which I've been making money with on the past couple of weeks.
Okay.
So hold up one second. I'm just gonna log in right now. Okay, the network's clicked. Sure.
Hold on, maybe I think you should share your screen because I can't. Maybe you should share your screen so I can check it out.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
Oh, there. Okay, I can see your screen now. Yeah.
All right, yeah, thanks for that. So yeah, basically this is ClickSure. This is one of the sites we use to generate the CPA commissions, and this is where I've been making around $300 per day with this method. Just going to log in right now quickly for you. So, so yeah, here I am on ClickSure.
Wow.
As you can see, this is the kind of money I've been generating on a daily basis. Today, $300, which is fantastic, which is exactly what I kind of wanted to generate. Wednesday, yesterday was about 250. Well, as you can see, it's 250. On Tuesday, 300. Monday, 250. Sunday, 250. Saturday, 300, which is fantastic. And Friday, another $300. So as you can see, I'm generating around 250, 300 mark, which is exactly what we kind of want from this, really. Now, with this method, I mainly promote CPA offers, but you can actually make money with any kind of offer, any kind of affiliate offer, ClickBank offer. But I've been having more success and making a lot more money by promoting these kind of CPA offers through sites like ClickSure.
Okay, wow, that's amazing, man. Like I can't believe you're making like around 250 to $300 a day. That's really great, man. How about you tell me maybe tell me a little bit about how this works?
Sure, yeah, yeah. I mean, it's a really, really simple process. There's basically four steps to it. It's that simple. The first step is you've got to choose a CPA offer. So you've got obviously got to find an offer to promote. And we do recommend ClickShare offers as one of the places we use. You've then got to go to the free traffic source. That's step two. Step three, you've got to apply the 3LX formula. Step four, the traffic comes to your affiliate link and you make money. Okay, it really is that easy.
Well, so hold on. So that's it. There's just four steps. That's it.
Yeah, mate, it really is that simple. That's it. There's nothing else really to it.
Well, I mean, there must be more to it, right?
No, I mean, it really is that simple. I mean, you'll obviously need to know about the free traffic source and how to apply the 3LX formula. And when you do, it really is that easy. You've just got to follow the four steps and that's it.
Wow, that's amazing, man. So how do we? So you talked about the 3LX. I think it was something the 3LX traffic formula. So how do we find out about this traffic source?
Well, I've actually been getting a load of emails and messages from friends on Facebook after I made a post showing my results last month. And what I've actually done is I've put together a set of videos to show you exactly how to apply the four steps to make money with this, exactly like I am. And I actually call this whole method, this whole thing, the $300 CPA every day.
Wow. Okay. So you've created a course and you're calling it $300 CPA every day, right? That sounds really cool, man. So okay, how does someone get access to this?
Yeah, so basically, all you've got to do is you've got to go to the website 300cpaeveryday.com, or if you're already on the site, you just look below and there'll be some explanation about how you access the course, and how you get actually into the inside and the members area. Now, on the course, I actually take you over my shoulder and show you the exact four simple steps on how to tap into this free traffic source and how I make at least $300 per day by promoting these CPA offers.
Wow, that's great, man. I'm really impressed. So what kind of like experience would someone need in order to do this?
Well, the great thing about this is that I was pretty much new to this. As you know, I've never made money with CPA offers or methods before, but with this system I put together, it's so easy to use that even someone with zero experience can do it. I mean, you don't need any knowledge or prior skills. All you need to be able to do is to follow simple instructions, and this will work for you.
Nice. So I'm guessing you're not giving this away for free. How much is it going to cost for someone to get access to this?
Well, I won't reveal the exact price now. If you're on the page now, you will be able to see that it's around the same price as a cup of coffee from Starbucks,
Wow.
which yeah, exactly, it's really, really cheap. What I'm going to tell you is that I'm doing a dime sell. So every time someone buys, the price will go up. So make sure you take action right now and lock in your copy before the price does actually go up, because it will go up fast. Also, I'm actually going to be removing this page at any time without notice. So when I feel enough people got access, I will take it down, because I don't want too many people using the same method, because it gets oversaturated and so yeah, we want to keep a minimum kind of people using it.
Okay, man. All right. Well, hey, that's great stuff. So I guess because if you're watching this video right now and you're interested in getting the 300 CPA Everyday course, then if you just look below, I guess there should be some explanation about what this course is about. You should be able to see a buy button where you can get access to it. Like Glyn said, it's what did he say? He said it's like less than the price of a cup of Starbucks coffee. So if you can afford to get a cup of Starbucks coffee, then you can get this, because the Starbucks ain't going to make you money. This is going to make you money. You just saw the proof. I'm amazed by the proof I just saw with Glyn showing me. So I encourage you to take action, get access to this course, 300 CPA every day. And I guess Glyn, I guess we'll see you on the inside. I'm definitely gonna get a copy of this. I guess we'll see you on the inside, man.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I'll see you in the members area, and yeah, thanks for listening to me. And I really hope you enjoy the method as well as the potential future members of the course do. So yeah, thanks for that. And yeah, to the people looking at this page, I'll see you all in the members area real soon. And I want to thank you for letting me share my method with you. So yeah, thanks
Yeah.
for that. And I'll speak to you all soon.
All right, man. All right, guys, take action now, and we'll see you in the members area.
Now, I'm just going to log in to one of my accounts, which I've been making money with on the past couple of weeks.
Okay.
So hold up one second. I'm just gonna log in right now. Okay, the network's ClickSure.
Hold on, maybe I think you should share your screen, because I can't. Maybe you should share your screen so I can check it out.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
Oh, there. Okay, I can see your screen now. Yeah.
All right, yeah, thanks for that. So yeah, basically this is ClickSure. This is one of the sites we use to generate the CPA commissions, and this is where I've been making around $300 per day with this method. Just going to log in right now quickly for you. So yeah, here I am on ClickSure.
Wow.
As you can see, this is the kind of money I've been generating on a daily basis. Today, $300, which is fantastic, which is exactly what I kind of wanted to generate. Wednesday, yesterday, was about 250. Well, as you can see, it's 250. On Tuesday, 300. Monday, 250. Sunday, 250. Saturday, 300, which is fantastic. And Friday, another $300. So as you can see, I'm generating around 250, 300 mark, which is exactly what we kind of want from this, really. Now, with this method, I mainly promote CPA offers, but you can actually make money with any kind of offer, any kind of affiliate offer, ClickBank offer. But I've been having more success and making a lot more money by promoting these kind of CPA offers through sites like ClickSure.
Here's what you'll see after purchasing the main product. Front end, $7. Access to the full CPA training. Upsell 1, $17. Advanced strategies to scale earnings. Downsell 1, $9. Discounted version of Upsell 1. Upsell 2, $147. Done for you campaigns and automation tools. Downsell 2, $77. A cheaper version of Upsell 2. Pick the ones that make sense for your business and skip the rest. What I like about $300 CPA every day, beginner friendly. Even if you're new to CPA marketing, no paid ads needed. 100% free traffic method. Fast results, start earning in 24 to 48 hours. Low cost entry, just $7 to get started. What could be improved? Some upsells can be pricey, $147 for done-for-you campaigns. Like any method, you still need to put in effort. It's not 100% passive from day one. So, is 300 CPA every day worth it? If you're looking for a realistic, beginner-friendly way to make money with CPA marketing using free traffic, then yes, it's 100% worth it. For just $7, You're getting a complete step-by-step blueprint that could help you start earning within days. That's a crazy deal. My recommendation? Start with the front end, $7. And if you like the method, consider upgrading to Upsell 1, $17 for more advanced strategies. Alright guys, that's my honest review of $300 CPA every day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think of $300 CPA every day? Will you use it? Let me know in the comments. Don't wait. This offer won't last forever. Click the link below to get started now. This is Kamal from testedapps.com, signing off. See you in the next video.